So today I'm testing out this bristle-free grill brush. Now the brand did send this to me to test out and try. I was definitely looking forward to it because this is how I typically clean my grill. And I know these bristles can break off and I'm probably even consume them sometimes. They do say to start off by soaking it in some water and to heat your grill up. So I have been heating it up. And then also check out the head. This is all stainless steel mesh, very heavy duty. It's got a nice long 18-inch handle and of course you can hang it as well. Also you can see it's heated up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and shut my grill off now. Let me show you what I'm starting with. So there you go. You can see it's nice and heated up. You can see what I'm starting with. And then you're going to start to scrape it using this razor sharp end here. Kind of loosen up all that food and grime. Then you're going to go ahead and dip that mesh in back in your water. And work it. This nice long handle really keeps your hand back from all that heat. This is completely food safe, and then you're not going to have any metal contamination by using the old standard brushes. You can see it didn't do anything to the end here. I'm just going to take my water and rinse it. So you can see this is the part I pretty much was working on the most. I still obviously need to do over here, but that actually did a really nice job. That was pretty caked on. Definitely loving it. Nice and sturdy handle. Really gets in there and does a great job. So if you're checking this out, I definitely recommend heavy duty, food safe, and you won't have to worry about all those bristles. So go check these out.